Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, here it is, the big day everybody's been waiting for. Good luck to everyone that's entered. I just want to say a quick thank you to everybody that's supported me through this little adventure we've been on. It's going to be happening again in the future, so I hope you enjoyed and please come back, do it all again. I also want to say a huge thank you to Namokimods and to DIY Watch Club for supplying me with these watches to give away to you guys. They thought it was a great idea, so I thanks you guys. Thanks Namoki, thanks DIY, thanks to everybody. Enough listening to me babble. Let's get into this, right? Okay. Okay. Well, good luck to everybody. I hope the stupid thing doesn't pick me because I'm going to have to pick another winner. I hope it doesn't pick that fake account. Like I told you guys, don't take any wooden nickels. It's only going to be me. All right, you guys. We are off and running. Let's do this. Good luck, everybody. 2, 1, and the winners are Griffin 14 and Cuba Havana 4634. Congratulations, you guys. Thank you so much. Get in touch with me. Reach out to me at my dadmods Gmail address, and I will be the only one getting back in touch with you. I will get your personal information and I will cover the shipping to get these watches to you guys. So thanks again. Congratulations to the big winners. Thanks again to everybody else who joined. Don't worry, you might have a chance next time because this isn't the first giveaway. Or, no, it is the first one, but it won't be the last one. There we go. Got it straight. Awesome, you guys. Thanks again for joining. Please come back. Please like and subscribe. We'll do it all again. Love you guys. Cheers.